Oh, I hear that noise.
All right, so I'm here with one of the world's foremost experts in slime. I'm bringing you this documentary so you understand, if you have children playing around with silly looking stuff, gooey craziness, you will understand what's about to take over your world. All right, so this is Haley. She's an expert in creating slime.
So yeah.
So Haley, why do you create slime? To me, it looks a little nasty.
No, it's fun to play with. So like, if you have a test, I've gotten better grades because I've been playing with slime.
You've gotten better grades
Yeah, I've gotten like a point higher.
because of the slime?
Yeah.
This slime.
Yeah, one time, well, I got a good grade. Like
So you're attributing the slime to
grades.
better grades.
Yeah.
You're an expert in making slime.
Yeah.
So is there a technique that you have? What kind of slime is this?
This one, it's like regular. It's not really fluffy, but it's very clicky. I can tell you all the slimes that I have out here right now. This isn't even my full collection. I just brought up my favorites.
This is a spring collection?
No, not really. But this is a slime. It is this nice one. It's kind of fluffy.
Fluffy slime.
Yeah, this one is kind of fluffy, and it's scented apple. So it's
scented with apple.
Yeah.
Oh, well, you just slimed yourself.
I know. I can.
Keep the slime out of your eyes, girl.
It's in my eye.
Now, what goes into making slime? What are the key ingredients that you need for slime?
So you should really you have to use glue.
Glue, like what? Elmer's glue?
Yeah, Elmer's glue. You can use like Crazy Art. I've used Crazy Art and this other type. Don't really know what it's called.
What else?
I recommend putting in lotion or like hand soap.
Lotion? What are you putting lotion in? You want it to be soft and supple?
Yeah, it gets softer. This one was, see, this one, I didn't add any lotion. But this is what happens when you add lotion.
Alright, so one has lotion.
And stretchier and better.
Which one has lotion?
This one.
And that one doesn't.
This one doesn't. So this is what glue all slime looks like when you don't, when you just activate too much. And one of the key ingredients is that you have to add your activator because that's what activates the slime. So
what is activator?
Activator.
You buy activator?
Yeah, you have to buy it. Well,
it's called slime activator?
No, it's called. You have 3 types of activator. You have Tide laundry detergent, which
Tide.
Yeah, you it just the thing with that is that if you're having the blue kind, it will dye your slime a little bit. So. That's the bad thing about it. I don't use that. I've never really used it before. But there's this other laundry detergent. It's called Stay Flow, whatever. I don't know how to pronounce it. But you can use that. It's also a laundry detergent. And there's actually eye contact. I think it's called eye contact lens solution.
Contact lens solution?
Yeah, it makes the slime activate. That's what I use.
These ingredients aren't the cheapest ingredients you could find.
I know. And then you also can find borax, which I think is the most, I think it's better because it activates more and the slime is better. I don't know why.
Well, what is it about slime that you like making? What is it?
It just feels good.
It feels good.
Yeah.
What's this here, right here?
This one is called Brownie Batter. It's made with Dazokai. I think that's how you pronounce it.
Brownie Batter.
And it's scented brownie.
It smells like a brownie.
Yeah.
Oh.
You want to smell it?
Yeah.
Smell the goodness.
Oh, it does smell like a brownie.
Yeah.
Should adults make slime, or is this just for kids?
Actually, there are some adults that make slime.
There are adults that make slime?
Yeah, there's adults. My friend's grandmother plays with slime. I mean, it's for everyone.
The birds want the slime. Well, Haley, I want to thank you for teaching us out here in YouTube land about slime.
Wait. I haven't done something yet.
What you haven't done? Where are you going?
The slime dance.
A slime dance?
Yeah.
Where are you going? There's a slime dance.
Great.
Up. Now you got grass slime. Dirt slime.
Slime. I do it all the time. It's so easy to make, so I make it all the time. fluffy rainbow butter glitter, even unicorn poop. Sorry.
The child is crazy.
There's so much I can do.
All right, say goodbye, Haley.
Goodbye.
Keep pushing play. Oh, ow, ow, ah. Ugh.
We'll be fine.
Ugh.
It won't stick to you if you just do it fast.
Ugh. There's nothing. Look at that. Ugh. Haley. Ugh, it's nasty.